Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Story Podcast, the place where we learn real, natural English through stories, empathy, and everyday courage. I'm Hope.
And I'm Mark. So glad you're here with us today. Whether you're listening while navigating a new city, troubleshooting tech at work, or just feeling unsure how to ask, you're not alone.
Today's topic is something many learners struggle with, but rarely talk about asking for help in English. Maybe you've stayed silent when you were lost, nodded along when you didn't understand, or tried to fix something yourself for hours, just to avoid saying, "Can you help me?" But here's the truth. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's wisdom, trust, and connection.
Exactly. In fact, in English-speaking cultures, people often admire those who ask clearly and kindly. It shows self-awareness, respect for others' time, and confidence, not insecurity.
So today, we'll show you how to ask for help in English politely, clearly, and without fear. Whether you're traveling, working, or just living your life in English.
Let's start with the magic formula. A soft opener. To get attention gently.
A clear request, so they know exactly what you need.
Gratitude. To close with warmth. For example, excuse me, could you help me find the train station? I really appreciate it.
Yes, now let's break it down. Step 1. The soft opener. This shows you respect their time and space. Try, "Excuse me." Neutral, polite.
Sorry to bother you. Humble, kind.
Hi. Do you have a moment? Friendly, conversational. Avoid jumping straight into, "Where's the bathroom?" It can sound abrupt.
Step 2. The clear request. Be specific. Instead of can you help me? Too vague. Say, could you help me with this printer? It's not working. Would you mind showing me how to use this app? Do you know how to get to Central Park from here? Use polite modals. Could you? Slash. Would you mind? Slash. Do you know?
Step 3. Gratitude. Always end with thanks, even if they can't help. "Thanks so much. I really appreciate your time." "Thank you. You've been a huge help."
Now let's role play a real situation. Hope, imagine you're lost in a big city, say London.
Okay, I'd walk up to someone who looks approachable, maybe sitting on a bench, and say, "Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but do you know how to get to the British Museum from here? I'm a bit turned around." Then, after they answer, "Oh, thank you so much. You've saved me."
Perfect. Notice how you used a soft opener. Explained briefly. I'm a bit turned around. Asked a clear question. Showed genuine gratitude. That's the gold standard.
Now, Mark, what if you're at work and your computer crashes before a big meeting?
I'd go to my coworker and say, hey, do you have a quick minute? My laptop just froze and I'm about to present. Would you mind helping me restart it? If they help, you're a lifesaver, thank you. If they're busy, no worries, thanks anyway.
Beautiful. You didn't say "I'm sorry for bothering you" 5 times. You respected their time while being direct.
Another common fear, sounding pushy. But politeness isn't about groveling. It's about clarity plus kindness. Compare. Pushy. Help me with this now. Polite. When you have a moment, could you help me with this?
And if you're nervous, it's okay to name it lightly. I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little slower? Most people will admire your honesty and adjust.
Let's cover a few more real-life scenarios. At a store. Excuse me, do you know if these shoes come in size 8? On public transport. Sorry to interrupt. Does this bus go to downtown?
In class. I didn't catch that last point. Could you repeat it, please?
Online/email. Hi name, hope you're well. Would you mind reviewing this draft when you get a chance? No rush, thank you.
Notice how all these include respect, clarity, and grace, not desperation or shame.
Now, a cultural note. In places like the US, Canada, or Australia, people expect to be asked. They want to help, but they also appreciate efficiency. So instead of, I'm so sorry, I know you're busy, I hate to ask, try. Hi, quick question. When you have a sec, could you?
Yes, and if someone says no or seems rushed, don't take it personally. Just say, no problem, thanks anyway, and ask someone else.
Also, body language matters. A smile, open posture, and calm tone make your request feel warm, not demanding.
And remember, asking for help builds bridges. Every time you ask kindly, you invite connection. You give someone the chance to be generous. That's a gift to both of you.
Let's share some key phrases to memorize. Excuse me. Could you help me with? Sorry to bother you, but do you know? Would you mind? I'm a bit stuck. Any advice? Thanks so much. You've been really helpful.
And if you're helping someone, respond with warmth. Of course, happy to help. No trouble at all.
Now, why does this matter beyond words? Because language is relationship. When you ask for help, well, you don't just get directions or tech support. You build trust, show humility, and join the human conversation.
So now, it's your turn. In the comments below, tell us. A time I needed help was blank. I asked blank. Or practice a polite request. For example, excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is? Sorry to bother you. Would you mind checking my sentence?
We read every comment and we're always cheering you on. Asking is brave, and you're doing great.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Story Podcast, like this video, and share it with someone learning English. Your support helps us keep creating kind, practical lessons.
And remember, you don't have to do everything alone. In English and in life, there's strength in saying, I could use a hand.
Thanks for being here with us today. Keep speaking, keep asking, and keep connecting.
Bye, everyone.